like and subscribe for more great videos.
You're so pretty, Barbie, but I think you need a new hairstyle. Let's give it some color. This is gonna look great. Oh, this blue really pops. It's gonna look like a rainbow. And you know, it'll make a great paintbrush. Hold still, Barbie. I'm creating a masterpiece. Whoa, look at that!
Huh? What's Lizzie doing? Whoa, that's so cool!
Wait, someone's calling me. Oh, hey!
I'll take that. Wow, I'm an artist. The colors are so vibrant.
Okay, bye! Wait, where's Barbie? Give me that!
No, it's mine!
Look out! Huh? Where am I?
Are you seeing this?
So this is your fault, huh? I'll show you! Never mess with Barbie's hair. Let's have some fun. It's time for an art challenge! So, what are we supposed to do?
Hello?
I thought you'd never ask. This is your first challenge. Watermelon? I was hoping for something more exciting. I need to think about this. Wait, I've got it! Nope, it's gone.
Oh, I know. I better get to work. I'll need some supplies. Ooh, a sponge. That might be handy. I'll cut it into 2 shapes. I'll use the triangle first. Can't forget about the paint. I'll start with red. I'll squirt it onto a plate. And then I'll dab the sponge into it. I'll make sure it's coated. I'll dab it over the canvas. Then it's time for some green paint. I'll press the other part of the sponge into it. That'll do it. I'll press this below the red triangles. Wow, it looks just like watermelon slices. This is so easy. Don't need this anymore. Hang on. An old paintbrush. I'll use it to add the seeds. I'll just make small dots. It's the little details that make the difference. I think I'm done. Take a look at this.
Wow! It's making me hungry. How did he do that? I can't let Liam beat me. Wait until you see this. I have 2 bowls of yummy candy. I'll place the green candy on the canvas. I'll shape it into an arc. Then I'll use the red candy. I'll arrange it in a triangle. And I'll fill it in. I really want to eat this, but I have to resist. Now I'll add the seeds. I'm pretty happy with it. You need to see this. It's good, huh? It's different.
Yikes, that's bad. Wait, you actually like that? My painting is better.
Ignore him! Look at my pretty art. This is tough. Liam wins!
Did you hear that?
Are you kidding me? It's not fair! Here's your next challenge. It's a beautiful dress. This won't be a problem. Let's do this. I'll use a pen for this. I'll start by sketching out the top of the dress. I'll take my time. I want it to look good. This is fun. I wonder how Liam's doing. That's it. I've got nothing to worry about. My dress is gonna have the wow factor.
This is tricky, but it's going well. I'm actually enjoying it. Maybe I should become a designer. I just need to make sure it's better than Lizzie's. What the?
I know. It's amazing.
If you say so. I think that's the outline done. I can start to color it. What should I go for first? I'll make the hair brown. I'll just stay inside the lines. I don't want to ruin it now. Then I'll do the skin. I'll go for the yellow pen. I'll take it nice and easy. I don't want to get any on the dress. Almost done. It's like a wedding dress. It's so romantic. What do you think?
It's pretty good. Maybe I need to improve my drawing. And I have just the thing. Just give me a second. I need one more thing. Something extra special. Look at all these gems. They're just beautiful.
You just carry those around?
It's pocket change. I'll put them into the bowl. I'll bash them up. Then I'll put the powder into this bottle. I'll need a funnel. I don't want to spill any. Look at all the colors. This'll transform my dress. I'll sprinkle it over, just like this. We all need a little sparkle. Okay, that's enough. I'll blow off the excess. Ready for the big reveal? Look at this! It's amazing! Now that's a dress! Jealous?
How? What? Ugh. I can't compete with that. Wait a second. I have an idea. Yeah, this is gonna work. I'll sharpen this pencil, but I'm not gonna use it. I just need the shavings. But I need a lot more. They'll be perfect. I'll arrange the shavings on the dress and stick them down, like this. I'll layer them on top of each other and work my way up the dress. This might take some time. I better work fast. Phew, this is hard. This is the last one. It can go right here. And I'm done. Here you go. I hope you like it.
I'm not worried. I've got the best dress. They're both wonderful! But Lizzie wins! Yes! I knew it!
Ugh. Whatever. Whoa, the test results are back. I knew I should have studied! I'm a genius! Woohoo! This isn't good!
Another day, another exam. Oh, thanks. Whoa. I don't know any of this. Just breathe. Everything will be okay. Just act cool. Okay, time to make my move. Can I help you? What? This isn't my desk. I think I got away with it. Okay, think. Oh, got it! It's lucky I always carry a telescope with me. Let's have a look. Nothing so far. Nice try. Oh, right. Do I get an A for effort? Wait! I have an idea! I just need to take a deep breath and… Hey! Where did my paper go? I need to be quick. Ooh, I didn't know that. I would have got that question wrong. I should have thought of this earlier. What a relief. Wait! Where did my paper go? It's gotta be around here somewhere. Oh, I might have known. Looking for this? I thought that would work. That wasn't so hard. I really don't want to do this test. It's gonna be so bad. Ah! Oh, it's just the teacher. Thanks, but you can keep it. Seriously. Okay, it can't be that bad, can it? I was wrong. It's worse. Ooh, is it hot in here? That's better. What's going on back there? It's probably nothing. You can do this. Who am I kidding? Don't panic. Stay cool. It's fine. No one noticed. Ugh, that's a lot of sweat. This is pretty gross. What does a heart attack feel like? I don't think this is normal. Something's wrong! I knew this is how it would end. Wow, she's really freaking out. Anyway, back to my book. I don't have time for this! Let's do this! Oh, I'm so nervous. And now I've got the shakes. How am I supposed to write? I'm not good under pressure. It's getting hard to breathe. I shouldn't have made a tuna sandwich. This bag stinks. Okay, focus. Nope. This isn't gonna happen. Julie? Are you okay? Not this again. I'm so glad I studied for this test. Hey! How are you? Sorry, I'm kinda busy. That's rude. But never mind. I'll just get my things out. I'll put my pencil case over here. What the… Can you be more careful? Sorry, it was an accident. I'll be quiet, I promise. Okay, what have we got? Hey. Hey, Hazel! Hazel, over here! Psst. What? Huh? Where did she go? Boo! Gotcha! Look at this. I drew a cute dog. Leave me alone. Please! Go, get out of here! I guess she's not a fan of art. Hey, what are you doing? Stop it! Lighten up. Let's have some fun! What's that? I'll just have a quick look. Whoa! Oh, come on. This is easy. And this one. I thought tests were supposed to be challenging. This is fun. And I'm done. That must be a record. Oh. School hasn't even started yet. Oh well, there's lots to do. I'll just water the plants. There you go. Let me give you a refill. Allow me. Wow, this is really dusty. People need to take pride in their school. What are you doing? Don't mind me. Did you just touch my hair, nerd? I'll prepare today's test. Maybe I'll add some extra hard questions. I enjoyed that. Wakey wakey! It's time to start the exam! Alright. Thanks, Julie. Ooh, tea. That's lovely. What's your problem? I guess I'll do the test again. Unbelievable. Come on. No arguing. Sit right there and don't move. I think they've started. Get in there! You can't make me! Yes, I can. Oh. Let go! Please, just go in. No! No chance! Ugh. Why do you always do this? You give me no choice. Excuse me. I've got Julie out here. Huh? Who are you? Julie, get back here! Stop it! This is ridiculous. Get in there. Oh, I know. I'll give you these poppets. They do look good, but no! There's only one thing for it. I'll pay you. Ooh, nope. I thought that would work. I'll keep this for later. Aha! How about some candy? Ooh, I love candy! That's it. Keep going. Gimme! Follow the candy. Almost there. So much candy! It's all yours. Wow, all for me? I'm looking forward to this. Wait. What's going on? She tricked me! I need to remember that next time. Oh, that was close. I'm not going in there.
Oh, yes you are. Move it, or else.
You make a convincing argument. That's more like it.
I need to hurry.
There's lots of time. There's no need to panic. Come on, class. Hand in your papers. Time's up.
Made it!
That's it, Miles.
Phew. I just made it.
Well done, everyone. It's not a big deal. Everyone needs to relax. Okay, I think that's it. Do you want to give me an A now? Sorry, you missed the deadline. And take it. What's your name? Julie, is it? Nope. I know what to do. Try and find it now! Get back here! My papers! Oh. Time for the exam! I better get my things ready. Oh, hold on. I need to get a few things from my bag. You can never have enough pens. There might be a pen emergency. Are you going to be much longer? Here you go. Just wait. I need my lucky mascot. He's so cute. How much have you got in there? I love these things. This'll be handy. Really? We've got a clock. You know that? Okay, take your exam paper. Just a minute. Almost there. Can't forget this. Oh, come on. This is a great book. I never get lost. I think that's everything. Oops! Well, that's just great. I'll just pick it up. Not so fast. Stay right there. Take this and start the exam. Wow, she seems stressed. She needs to relax. Like and subscribe for more great videos.